Inside ON1 Photo Raw 2019.5, we've made some enhancements for when you're syncing adjustments across multiple photos. Now you can select and deselect specific adjustments that you want to paste onto a group of shots. For example, for this photo, inside my Develop tab, I've modified my tone and color. If I go into Effects, you'll see that I have a few filters added, and if I go into my local adjustments, you'll see I have a local adjustment layer added, and if I go into my masking options, I've created a mask for this using my adjustment brush. So now if I want to sync these settings to a group of photos, I'll pull up my film strip view mode, I'll grab that group of shots, and now once I hit sync, this new Apply Settings dialog will pop up, and this will allow me to select and deselect specific adjustments that I want to apply. You'll notice that I can go inside to my Develop, and I can choose all of the different options that I applied. Another cool thing is that if I go down to my effects and my local adjustments, and I click inside them, I can actually apply those same masks that I used when I was applying them to this photo. So if I want to apply that local adjustment mask, I can select this, and it will sync that across those photos. So let's head over and let's select Apply. And now all of those photos have had those settings applied to them. So now let's go into this photo here. So now if we go into our local adjustment layer, you'll notice that it pasted over those same brush strokes we used to apply that mask. And if we go into Effects, we have those same filters we applied earlier. And if we go into Develop, the same adjustments are being applied inside of the tone and color. So that's how to use our new selective sync to choose specific adjustments to apply to other photos.